At VueReal, our core technology is a transfer solution, and our business model is not to develop a tool that is so expensive that only one or two companies can afford it, but develop a process that can be applied to suppliers, OEMs, the tier one suppliers, research center. Everybody can buy a tool and they can produce different products. So to achieve that, we develop a transfer solution that doesn't need laser. So it's very, very inexpensive in terms of capital requirement, as very inexpensive in terms of operation cost as well. And then we are working with different partners to provide different parts that you need to make products. So we are working with MicroLED vendors to create MicroLED cartridge. We are doing MicroLED microsensor cartridges. We are working on the variety of cartridges that our partners and customers can set up our tools and blueprint in their facility, buy the cartridges and produce different products. We think this is going to enable a huge application, similar thing that a smartphone did to the app market. So you had the smartphone, and then it was so low cost to develop different applications that we had all this beautiful application and now shaping the modern life. We think this is going to do what a smartphone did for app, is going to do it for hardware. All the smart people can now create a lot of customized hardware solution, from AI integrated to the mass sensors integration to the LEDs to different things. And this is going to create a lot of health, fitness, security, HMI, surrounding awareness, a lot of solutions that we don't have today. And so we are showing part of those applications specifically using on the MicroLED and more specifically for automotive. So we did a lot of different lighting solutions, and also you can use them for generic applications as well. We are doing different type of solution for AR. We call them AI-enabled micro displays. So essentially it's a very low profile, low cost, low power solution that you can integrate into the glass, provide information related to your fitness tracking, to the GPS, where you need useful information and you're not more into a lot of content, but the weight, the cost, and the integration is more important. So this is a solution we developed for that. This is more of a high-end solution based on our 2-micron LED approach, that now you can create very high-end AR glasses, projector HUD for anywhere you need application with projection. So you can use this type of technology. On the other side, we have more of display type. So this is using an LTPS technology, very high resolution and also high transparency. Part of it, because the LEDs are so small, part of it we actually developed and modified the backplane to get high transparency. And so we are doing all these things to show the capability of this technology and also enable market. And we think this is going to be a huge opportunity for a lot of hardware and OEM company to produce new applications.